Cash App availability is the first thing to check, because many real money bingo games support PayPal or other payment methods, but do not offer a direct Cash App withdrawal option. For 2026, the safest way to compare these games is to check the actual withdrawal methods shown in the official cashier, then confirm whether Cash App is supported for your location and account. Number 5 is iBingoTour.door. It offers cash prize gameplay in eligible locations, but its available withdrawal methods can depend on the account and region. If Cash App is your target, check the withdrawal screen before entering a paid tournament. Number 4 is eBingo Cash. Its withdrawal documentation explains the cash out process and gives a specific processing window. Requests can take up to 14 days to process, while the platform says players usually receive funds within 2 business days. That means it should not be treated as a guaranteed same-day Cash App option. Number 3 is Ang Blackout Bingo. The game supports cash prize competitions in eligible locations and advertises withdrawals through supported payment methods. However, you should verify the exact options available to your account before assuming Cash App is included. Number 2 is any bingo platform that allows you to withdraw to a payment service that you can then use with Cash App. That is different from a direct Cash App payout, so check the transaction path before depositing money. Number 1 is the bingo game that shows GE Cash App directly in its official withdrawal menu and provides a same-day processing policy for eligible withdrawals. If Cash App is not listed there, do not rely on a third-party website claiming that the game pays directly to Cash App. There are 3 checks that matter before you play. First, open the withdrawal section and look for Cash App by name. Do not assume that a platform supporting digital wallets automatically supports Cash App. Second, check the processing time. A same-day withdrawal request does not guarantee same-day funds if the operator or payment provider has a separate processing period. Third, check verification requirements. Identity checks, payment verification, or account reviews can delay a withdrawal. Also check the minimum cash out amount and any withdrawal fees before entering a paid game. If a website asks you to send money to a private Cash App account to unlock your winnings, do not use it. Legitimate withdrawals should be processed through the official platform. The key points are simple. Direct Cash App support is different from PayPal support. Same-day processing is not guaranteed, and the withdrawal screen is the best place to verify the current payment options. Your practical next step is to open the official cashier before depositing and confirm that Cash App is listed for your account. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 bingo app guides.